Okay, good day everyone. Now we will be talking about your inflammatory bowel disease. Okay, pag sinabi nating IBD or your inflammatory bowel disease, it is a chronic condition. Okay? Pag sinabi nating chronic condition, matagal na. Okay? Or magtatagal. Okay, that cause long-lasting inflammation. Matagal yung what? Inflammation saan? Sa my intestines. Okay? So we have two types of your IBD, your regional enteritis or your Crohn's disease and your ulcerative colitis. Okay? Now, first na pag-uusapan natin is your regional enteritis. Okay? Your regional enteritis is a chronic inflammatory bowel disease. Okay? Isa siyang IBD that causes inflammation. Okay? Inflammation saan? Sorry for that. Okay. Inflammation. Saan? Okay, anywhere. Anywhere, saan daw? Anywhere. Anywhere along GI tract. Okay? It especially, mahanap siya saan? Sa may ileum papuntang colon. Okay? Ileum papuntang colon. Okay? So that is your regional enteritis. Now, kung makikita nyo yung picture, ganyan yung itsura ng what? Ng regional enteritis ninyo. Para siyang may patches or para siyang mga may bukol. Okay? So now, what are the modifiable and non-modifiable for your regional enteritis? Okay? First modifiable natin, diet. High refined sugar, processed foods, low fiber, excessive alcohol intake, smoking. Pwede rin bang infection? Yes. Medication, NSAIDs, and your stress. Okay? These are the modifiable risk factors. Okay? And non-modifiable, we have ethnicity. Okay? Jewish people. Okay? So, mas increase sila na magkaroon ng what? Ng regional enteritis. Okay? Your regional enteritis can occur at any age. Okay? Pwede rin siyang autoimmune disorder like your rheumatoid arthritis and psoriasis. So ibig sabihin kapag may rheumatoid arthritis ka or psoriasis, it increases the person na meron nito to develop yung regional enteritis natin. Okay? Genetics like family history and genetic mutations. Okay? Especially your NOD2 genes. Okay? So anong nangyayari dito? Nagkakaroon ng autoimmune response, di ba? Autoimmune response saan? Sa modifiable and non-modifiable risk factors natin. Now, the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the GI tract. Okay? Your own body immune system is attacking your GI tract. Okay? So, what will happen if your body's immune system mistakenly attacks your GI? Okay, nagkakaroon ng persistent inflammation. Okay? That involves all the layer of your bowel wall. Okay? So, tinatawag natin yun na transmural kapag all layers, okay, is affected. Okay? Ano nangyayari kapag nagkaroon ng persistent inflammation? Okay? Involving all layers. Nagkakaroon ng granuloma formation. Okay? Or cluster of immune cells. Okay? This granuloma is the hallmark sign of your what? Of your regional enteritis. Anong itsura niya? Etong mga to, di ba? Para siyang mga bukol-bukol. Okay? That's your granuloma. Okay? And then, it will contribute further inflammation and narrowing of the intestinal lumen. Pwede ba mag-cause yan ng narrowing ng intestinal lumen ninyo? Yes, okay? And then, eventually, magkakaroon niya ng strictures, fistulas, and abscesses. Okay? And then, pag nagkaroon ng strictures, fistulas, and abscesses, okay, what are the clinical manifestation na makikita dyan? Okay, your abdominal cramping and pain, chronic diarrhea, fatigue, weight loss, malnutrition, and your fever. Okay, so yan yung pwede nyong makita sa mga patient natin na what? May regional enteritis. Okay, yung abdominal and abdominal cramping nila usually, okay, nangyayari yan sa may right side. Okay, right side. Okay. Ayan, yung abdominal cramping natin nangyayari yan sa may right side ninyo. Okay. Pag tinanong sa exam, anong difference ng regional enteritis sa may tawag dito, sa may ulcerative colitis ninyo? Okay, yung pain ng regional enteritis ninyo nasa right, most commonly. Ang ulcerative colitis natin nasa left. Okay? So, yun yung pinagkaiba ng pain nila. Okay? Pag tinanong naman, nasa ng bloody diarrhea. Okay? Pag bloody na kay ulcerative colitis. Tapos kapag kay abdominal cramping, ay kapag kay regional enteritis, I should say, abdominal cramping tuloy, kapag regional enteritis, walang blood. Okay? Walang blood. Okay? Tandaan, walang blood. Okay? So, ibig sabihin dito, yung diarrhea niya, non-bloody. Okay? Non-bloody. Yung what? Yung diarrhea. Okay? So, that is your what? Regional enteritis. Okay?